Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have one very interesting question from radical equations, which we have to solve for the real values of x. So let's get it started. As we have square root x involved, for real x, I will write x must be positive. Now we will use substitutions. Let's say first fifth root we will call this is a, second fifth root we will call this is b. So the very first equation which we can write here would be a plus b equal to 2. Equation number 1. Now fifth root is a, so I can write a power 5 directly. This will be equal to square root x plus square root of x plus 3125. Similarly, we can write b power 5 also. This will be equal to square root x minus of square root of x plus 3125. If we will add both the equations, then I can write here a power 5 plus b power 5 will be equal to 2 times square root x. This is our equation number 2. Now I will multiply both a power 5 and b power 5. So I can write here a power 5 times b power 5 will be equal to square root x plus square root of x plus 3125 in one bracket times square root of x minus of square root x plus 3125. So we have a plus b times a minus b. We can utilize difference of two squares formula. So I will write here root x square minus square root of x plus 3125 whole square. Now square root and square will be cancelled out. We will write here x minus 3125. So x and minus x will be over. We will write minus 3125. Now we know that 5 power 5 is 3125. So I can write here this is minus 5 whole power 5. Left hand side we have AB whole power 5. Now we will consider fifth root both sides. For real values of A and B, we will get AB equal to negative 5. This equation we will call equation number 3. Now we have three equations and I will use binomial expansion. I will write A plus B whole power 5 expansion. So we need to use binomial coefficient, expansion coefficient. So let us find out here. For power 2, coefficients will be 1 to 1. For power 3, 1331. For power 4, 14641. And for required power 5, we will use 1 5, 10 10, 5 1. Now I will write expansion. I will club 1 and 1 all together, 5 and 5 all together, and then we will consider pairing of 10. I will write here a power 5 plus b power 5. Coefficient 1 is over. Now 5. Coefficient 5 we will consider 5 times ab. In the bracket we will write a cube plus b cube. Then coefficient 10. We will write 10 times a square b square times a plus b. Now a plus b was 2. So I will write here 2 power 5. A power 5 plus b power 5 was 2 root x. plus 5 times AB was negative 5, A cube plus B cube. We can write here A cube plus B cube. Let us calculate here. A cube plus B cube will be equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3 times AB, A plus B. So in place of A plus B, we will write 2. So we will write 2 cube minus 3 times AB was negative 5. A plus B is 2. So I can write here 8 minus 3 times minus 5 plus 15 times 2. So I will write plus 30. So A cube plus B cube will be 38. Let us write here 38 plus 10 times A square B square, we can write minus 5 whole square times 2. Or I can write 32 equal to 2 square root x, 5 times minus 5 times 38 will give us minus 950 plus 10 times 25 times 2, so 500. If I will club these two numbers, then we will write minus 450. Let me write here 32 equal to 2 square root x minus 450. Now we will add 450 to both sides. So 32 plus 450, this will be equal to 2 square root x. Or I can write 2 square root x, this will be equal to 482. Now we need to divide by 2 both sides to get the value of square root x. So 2 and 2 will be over from LHS. We can write square root x will be equal to, now these two numbers will be over, we will get 241. So I will write here 241. Now we have to find out x only. So I will consider squaring both sides. So power 2, power 2. So square root and square will be over. We will get our answer x will be equal to 241 whole square. Or I can write our answer 58,081. So our answer will be 58,081 or 241 whole square. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.